In this video, we're going to talk about the domain of a rational function. The domain is the set of all x values you can substitute into the function to find the corresponding y value. So we're going to state the domain for f of x equals x squared minus 9 over x minus 3. So in this case, our domain can be any number except in the denominator, we cannot have a 0 in the denominator of a fraction. So our focus is just going to be on the denominator. So the denominator is x minus 3. That's all we need to worry about. So we're simply going to say, okay, x minus 3. What value of x is going to make that 0? So if I simply solve for x, I get 3. So that means that x can be any number except for number 3. Let's take a look at another example. Again, the domain is the set of all x values you can substitute into the function to find the corresponding y values. So we're going to find the domain for f of x equals x minus 2 over x squared minus 4. In this example, we still want to focus on just the denominator, but you'll notice that I'm going to need to factor the denominator first. So we're going to factor x squared minus 4. This is going to factor into x plus 2 times x minus 2. And our job is to set each of these functions equal to 0 to find out which values will not work. Because in this particular case, every other number is going to work except the ones that are going to make it equal to 0. And we only have to worry about the denominator because a fraction cannot have 0 in the denominator. So in this case, x is going to have two values. It's going to have a negative 2 value and a 2 value that it is not equal to.